how to hide your Gmail account name. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can hide your Google account name. For that, go to your Google Chrome and then search for myaccount.google.com and you'll be navigated to this page. Then go ahead and tap on personal info. Now scroll down and then tap on name. So go ahead and tap on name again. And here you can see when you remove the name, the save option does not appear, which means you cannot leave the name option blank. So if you don't want any name, then you can put a full stop. But a simple full stop will not work. Google account will not allow it. So I have a different trick for you. You'll have to paste something here, which I will add in the description below. So you just have to copy and paste something like this and just remove the arrow and then hit save now. And then you can see that the full stop appears there. So this is how you hide your name in your Google account. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.